How to add watermark to photos in Lightroom. First of all, open the app and select the photo you want to export with the watermark. Once your edits are complete, tap the Share button in the top right corner, then select Export As. In the export settings, scroll down and enable the watermark option. You can choose a text watermark or custom logo image. Customize the watermark by adjusting its position, size and opacity to make sure it doesn't distract from the photo but is still visible. Once you are happy with the watermark settings, tap the tick button in the top right corner to export your photo. Your image will be saved with the watermark applied, ready to share online while protecting your work from unauthorized use. Adding watermarks in Lightroom ensures your photos are safe and branded professionally, whether you are sharing on social media, websites, or portfolios. Now you know how to add watermark to photos in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing and photo enhancement tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.